doubt here?
Can you explain these questions?
Magnetic moment. What is the magnetic moment of this small element?
Pi r squared into the current due to the small elements.
How much is the current due to the small element?
Lambda into r d theta into omega by 2 pi.
If you sum it up, then what is the total magnetic moment for this entire quarter?
Pi r square lambda r omega.
Pi r square
Lambda r omega.
integration of the theta value, you will take it from 0 to
Pi by 2, sir.
omega by 2 pi into pi by 2 will come, na?
Yes, sir. 1 by 4, sir.
What is the magnetic moment of this one?
So minus 9 by 4 pi r square into omegas, lambda omegas.
Now the magnetic moment, I mean the current direction will be same or opposite due to this circular motion.
Opposites.
So the magnetic moment is also in opposite. So what is the net magnetic moment? Are you getting the answer? Check.
Yes.
I'm getting the answer, huh? Okay. So what is the doubt here?
I didn't know that I could take this one small element and calculate for it. Sir.
Oh, okay. But for the small element also is like a charge particle, na? And charge particle when doing in a circle, it will create a current, na?
Yes, sir.
So any charge particle moving in a circle can be assumed to be a current.